Hi, can I sit here? Yes, you can sit here. Thank you. How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am good. What are you eating? I am eating rice and vegetables.
That looks tasty.
Yes, it is very tasty. I am eating a sandwich. Do you like sandwiches? Yes, I like them very much. Do you eat lunch here every day? Yes, I eat lunch here every day. I also come here every day. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
I like pizza too.